Hello students, I welcome all of you online classes with AK. Today we are going to discuss history second lesson prehistoric man. First of all we will see introduction. It is said that early men evolved from ape-like a creature somewhere around 13 million years ago. Many physical changes appeared during this period. Many physical changes were there. He could stand in upright position and could balance the body weight, and in this period that man is able to stand in a proper way and he is able to balance the body. His hands become too free to pick up the things like stone etc. about 4 million years ago. The development changed his lifestyle, switched to life in open country, rock shelter, the beginning of cooperative hunting, additions of meat to diet instead of exclusive vegetarian diet. The man, it means the early man, become a nomad or a wanderer. He had to go from place to place in search of food. As forest produce was a seasonal, and animal also moved in search of water and prey. Man being physical big in comparison to many animal. That time men were physically big comparison to many animals. They started the collective hunting in small groups. If they need some help, that time they help each other. The Paleolithic age in India, about 2 million years ago, man started using stone as weapon to protect himself and to hunt animals. The Paleolithic remains have been found in many parts of the world. The Paleolithic remains have been found in many parts of the world like the French, Spain and China. On the Indian subcontinent, such remains have been found in the Son River Valley, that is in Pakistan, in upper Narmada region, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Nashik in Maharashtra and near Chennai. And people also used tools that time. The Paleolithic tools were made by chipping hard stone. They were of two kinds. First one is a core tool and the second one is a flake tool. First of all, we will discuss about a core tool. These were made by a chipping of species from the pebbles or from stones of flint or quartz, a type of hard rock. The stone left after chipping is called a core. They were usually oval or pear shaped. The early men used them as a hand axes. Core tool they used as a made a hand axe, and they used for cutting a trees. They cut a tree, digging the earth, and they use that core tool as a digging the earth and breaking bones. That time they hunt the animals and they break the bone also by that core tools. Flake tools, they were the broken off stone chips, a byproduct of core tools having a sharp edge. They were used for chopping meat and skinning animals. They hunt the animal, so what they do for their own use, they chop the meat by the flake tools, with the help of the flake tools, and they skinning animals by the flake tools. Here the memory aid, you have to revise these things: core tools, flake tools, and here answer the following questions. What is a core tools? What is a flake tools? Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel so you will get the latest notification. Okay, bye, then see you in the next class.